Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends and foes. My name is Anne-Marie Chamberlain. You may have known me by now by that exclusive interview that I did with Claude Sinclair some time ago on the passing of my brother, Robert Lee Malcolm, aka Gully Bob. My reason here this evening, it's not for controversy, not for back and forthing, not for views, not for money or anything. I am here to just thank all the people out there that has been pouring in their concern, want to know when is the date of the funeral. Which some of you may have known that I was away for a little while. I'm back now. So I've met with some members of my family today and we have decided that on a date. Good evening again. Yes, as I was saying, all the people out there who have concern about the date of my brother's funeral, we have come to the decision that and a date, we have decided on a date that it's going to be the 14th of January 2024. We will put our brother to rest on that date. The burial spot will be in King Weston at the family plot, and I guess he will be churching there too, at the church where he used to attend when he was much younger. A lot of things have been said and still has been saying. As you know that I don't really give much attention to the media and the naysayers. So people will talk. People will talk good and people will talk bad. It's a balanced world. We need them. We need them for motivation. You understand? You have to be strong. You have to be strong to face the world. And it is our approach that, really decide how the outcome end up. We can choose to answer and we can choose to not. I chose not to, because when you play chess, you know when to move. There's a lot of attention junkies out there. They do it because it's their job. That's how they survive. That's how they feed on negative. They feed on negative like some, the little parasitic bush that they call love bush. A lot of people out there is like that. They come in like some little orchid. Orchid is a parasite, even though it's beautiful. I'm not calling anybody parasite, I'm just trying to describe how I feel about a lot of them out there, with the negatives. But I've come this far and I have survived this far. I know the internet can be brutal, very brutal. It can make you and it can break you. I chose how I want it to go with me. I'm a shadow person, which I tell you I love the shadows. Anyway, this won't be long. The date is the 14th of January. And that's that. So all of the persons who was out there saying that they bury him and he's going to bury this and he's gonna blah blah blah. So I can give you a funeral date now so you can run with that. Yeah, get run along. Because that's what all you are good for. Sit there and yap. And you're not making any damn sense. Run with that. The date is the 14th. Yeah. And let me say it again. We don't need any charity. No GoFundMe. No salsa. No collection plate. We're not having it. Yeah. Big up to the Malcolm sisters and management, friends, family. We did it.